So that's the bags all packed. Actually, that's a lie. Can you believe we're going on holiday tomorrow and Stu still hasn't packed his bag? So I've got our passports ready. Mine and the kids' stuff's already in the car. He's got his little weigher thing. And he's got a brand new suitcase to pack. And yeah, he hasn't even started. I've managed to do all the washing. I've got everything ready. I've even bought him a new travel pillow because on the way back from our holidays, we've got like a 2 a.m. flight. So I know he's going to need that and he's going to really appreciate it. Annoyingly, I bought some last year. We don't have them to hand. So that is a little bit annoying. But these were an absolute bargain. I managed to get 4 or 5 for the same price that I paid for 2 in the airport. So happy days. So as you can see, we're in the van. Yeah, we've been cleaning up and we've been keeping ourselves busy with making sure everything's nice and tidy. Everyone's eating, that kind of thing. Stu's still not back. So unless he's planning on packing 2 pairs of boxers, a couple of pairs of shorts and a few t-shirts, which probably would be about right for a guy actually. But can you believe he's leaving it to the night before? You know, is that a man thing or what? Because I've had my stuff packed for like a week. So yeah, let me know in the comments, you know, do men always leave it till the day before to pack, or are women just nuts? We just get everything ready super early. So something really cool happened yesterday actually, and this is totally holiday related, because Stu turned around to me and he was like, there's no way you're going to get your bag under 20 kilograms, is it? Well, I did. It was like 13 and I still had to pack my hairdryer, my straighteners, I think a pair of flip-flops, and maybe a hoodie. So yeah, there's still a few things, and I've weighed it just now and it's still only at like 17 and a half. So he had to buy me a scratch card, right? And well, let's just say we won on it. Not much. It was a 20 quid. I'm happy with that because I've just like a couple of bottles of wine in it. Stu's just come in.
What are you recording for?
How was work?
Is this for YouTube?
Yeah.
Hello YouTube, it's been a while.
I was just letting him know we're going on holiday and you haven't packed your stuff yet.
No, I haven't. But that's me, I'll leave it. Thing is, right, I'm the kind of person, you pack your stuff.
Yeah.
Like a friend, someone packed 4 weeks ago. And I'm like, yeah, but you're going to be dipping in and out of that suitcase to get stuff that you need for now.
Unless you buy new holiday stuff.
Yeah, but I'm not going to buy a whole new wardrobe just for a week's holiday. Yeah, that's a girl thing, isn't it?
A couple of new pairs of flip-flops, a couple of t-shirts, a couple of pairs of shorts, maybe 1 or 2 jump suits.
Shoots? What's a jump shoot?
You better get packing then. Come on, we've got to get to Turkey in the morning.
Okay. And me got a new pillow. Saying that, how many did you buy? 1 or 2?
I bought 5.
You bought 5?
Yeah, I got 2 pink, 1 for me and Emilia, and 3 grey ones. But it will make you pleased to know that 5 of them cost the same as 2 of them cost in the airport the last time we went. And they're memory foam. Yeah, so we're only going for a week, so don't go mad, you know. One pair of flip-flops, maybe 2 pairs of shorts, you're done.
Your suitcase will weigh more than mine and the kids put together.
It really won't.
Okay.
Right, so you got your weigher, and when you're finished, I want to see what you weigh, all right?
I bet you I weigh less than half of what you do.
Well, that's easy. That's going to be in it. You're going to pack 3 t-shirts, 2 pairs of shorts, a hoodie, and a pair of flip-flops.
I won't pack 3 t-shirts. I'll pack 4.
Brand new suitcase by there, lots of room. Enjoy yourself. So what's the verdict then?
Oh, and what I weigh?
Yeah.
I weigh, so we got 20 kilograms allowance.
Yeah.
I weigh, it's more than 4, it's more than 5, it's more than 6, more than 7. Haha, 7.9.
Oh my goodness. Is there actually any point in you having your own bag?
1 hour later.
So we've made it here, we've just parked up the car and we're literally waiting for our bus now to take us over to the airport. I'm not going to lie, I'm looking forward to getting in there, getting checked in.
The sound everyone loves.
So we've got like a 2-minute journey now just to get over to Terminal 2 and we're going to head for the Wetherspoons. So I think we came to the airport a little bit early. I've almost bankrupted myself by treating everyone. And it's not every day you go on holiday on a plane, is it? So we've still got another hour and a half or so at least before we board. So yeah, I think I'm going to get away from the shops now and go sit down somewhere. Stay out of trouble. The excitement is real.
Yeah.
Oh, you get to go straight in.
Yeah.
I can't believe I gave up my window seat so Dexter could look outside and then he's got 2 windows. How happy are you right now?
Very.
Okay, everybody, if you want everybody on board today to have a great flight with us.
Made it. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, Turkey time. We're just now getting on a transfer, which, to be fair, is already ready and waiting. There was a bit of a delay with the plane, nothing too major, but yeah, it's put us about half an hour behind. But yeah, we're all excited, just absolutely shattered. So tonight I think we're just going to get our heads down and we're going to pick you up in the morning. So it's the following morning. I say morning, it's more like lunchtime to be honest with you, because obviously Turkey's 2 hours ahead of Britain. Last night we got to the hotel, and when we got here we were told we had 2 rooms. We thought they were interjoining or interlocking, like family room then. Turns out it wasn't, because there was like a walkway that goes between, so me and Stu just didn't think that was safe. So we've done like a makeshift room here now where we've got enough beds for all of us to be in this one room. To be honest with you, it was fine. The rooms are quite basic, but they're clean, they're tidy. We have got a pool view. Never had that before, so that's really, really cool. We've got a balcony just out the front there, and I'll show you in a minute. The worst night's sleep ever. When we arrived, we were all just so overtired, I think, and then because Emilia had slept on the coach on the way over here, she then didn't want to go to sleep, so she was wired. She was like bouncing around, being super happy and excited and wanted to go swimming. I was like, it's 4 o'clock in the morning, love, you've got to go to bed. And then we got up about 10. So we've just had some breakfast out the front. We've had coffee, and I think we're going to go for a little walk about. But first of all, I'm just going to show you the room. So there's our balcony with a pool view, and you can see there's lots of people out there already having a good time. The sun has disappeared, which always happens when we're around. We've got a double bed, like sofa bed here. That's for the boys, and then Emilia had the single. We've got like a kitchenette space here with a fridge, a couple of cupboards. The bathroom's in there. And then this is the main bedroom then. So, as I say, quite basic, but it's got everything that you need. I can't believe, though, it was showing pure sunshine. And then when we've got here now this morning, it's cloudy. So it's still hot, it's muggy. But yeah, you can't see the sun. It's the clouds everywhere. And I've checked the weather now and it's cloudy for 3 days. So I'm hoping that's going to change, because if you watched us, you'll see the luck that we have with holidays. We always end up with rain or very cold conditions. Staying in a hotel called Hotel Babadon. So I'll give you a quick show around. The kids are already in the pool. People are splashing about, having a really good time. So we're going to go for a walk in a sec and see if we can see what's in the local area. And this is outside. There's a park just there, and we're going to head out and see if we can find the seafront. Beachfront, seafront.
There's a beachfront, there's shopping. We're going to go get our bearings, aren't we?
Yeah.
So we can see where we are and what's about. I forgot there is actually a beach close by. Oh, it's not that close.
It's about an 8-minute walk, isn't it?
And the beach is down there. That looks more than an 8-minute walk to me. It's not actually that bad. I've just checked it on the maps and it's half a mile away. It looks a lot further, doesn't it, when you look at it just on the map?
It was like 8 minutes.
That's not 8 minutes, more like 80.
You'll notice the kids aren't with us. We've left them in the hotel with the Baileys so we can go exploring.
Spending more like.
No, we're not. We're not spending nothing.
No?
Nope, we're just having a look today. This is cool. There's loads here. This is just the first street. Emilia would like those. Tattoo piercing. Fake bags, Crocs, towels. Oh, should we get some socks? They cost a bomb at home. I bet there's more around anyway. Got some jewellery. These are really cool. These are supposed to keep the bad spirits away or something.
Yeah, it's an eye, innit? They keep an eye on you.
Keep an eye on you.
Oh, look.
Oh, yes. Grapefruits, passion fruit. Haha, babe. Are you making fun of my melons, man? Coconuts? Dexter loves those. Fair play, it looks fresh, doesn't it? It's beautiful. You just don't see fruit like this at home.
No, but I got a lovely set of coconuts.
Joe, look who we've just seen. Yeah, they've been on it since 5 a.m.
We sure have.
Brilliant. And I love that they've sat under a love heart as well. How romantic. Right, so now our pint is done. Well, you had a Coke.
Yeah.
We are now actually going shopping. But we're going to make it quick, because we have been a little bit longer than we first planned.
Look at the turtle that was on the beach here. It was massive.
Can we see it?
Well, you can't guarantee it, but you can go to that spot.
Look at that. Captain Bullshit Booking Office. I think that's class.
I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, so you can go on boat trips. Oh, they do Turkish baths. Go-kart, horse safari, jeep safari. So yeah, it looks like there's loads to do here. Shops go on for forever. So I've managed to walk away with 2 pairs of new shoes, and Stu's got me some earrings. I think we better head back.
1 hour later.
Decided to come to a local bar called Ruck, and we're going to try out some cocktails. Now, me and Jade know for a fact that Paul Star Martinis are the best cocktail in the world, but we're yet to find one that's been really, really good in Turkey. So they told us you can have it, but if you don't like it, you can have it for free. What do you reckon, Jade? Let's try this. Let's see what it's about.
You know what?
Stu likes it so much he's already auditioning for a job and he's been here about 5 minutes.
But when you order double vodka, instead of 350, you pay 290, so 60 lira cheaper.
It's karaoke tonight.
it works. I might as well live here.
I'm having a little giggle actually because Stu has actually been told he has to work. Look at this. He's already in training. He's up at the bar. You're going to make me porn star martini?
Yeah, she's...
What's Stu got to do?
I'm bringing the drink.
You're fetching me the drink.
I'm the drink bringer.
Do you know what? I'll take that.
I'm going to start at the bottom.
Yeah, work your way
work
up.
my way up.
Excellent.
So I'm hoping to get a larger t-shirt because this one is a little bit tight.
It's the turkey look, isn't it? It's snug. It's all right.
With it. Look, Emilia.
We've got a TV outside, we've got a cute waterfall, and they've got a kids area. So the boys are here playing pool. Having a nice time?
Yes.
Excellent. We've also got a little bit of a play area here so they can all be a bit silly while they're waiting for their drinks and food and stuff. Like the hickories of Islameh. I'm happy with that. They've been really lovely. They sorted us out a massive table, and I gotta say, the guys in Turkey so far have just been so accommodating. They're just, service-wise, they're on it. Like, we don't even have that in the UK, but they have been absolutely brilliant. Oh, have you ever seen anything so beautiful in your whole life?
I do.
That does look beautiful.
A little shooter.
That's what it's supposed to be. Prosecco. So we need now to be honest verdict. Like, is this the best porn star martini we've ever had?
Real-time reaction.
I'm missing out on the passion fruit, I'm not going to lie.
But it's not too watery, is it? It has got a nice consistency.
But you still got Prosecco to go in.
Very creamy. Last night, Stu and Dan visited Skinny Rambo, Captain Bullshit. It's scooters for everybody to get round Islameh a lot easier. Oh my gosh, it's more bumpy than I was expecting.
Keep an eye on that chair.
Yeah, man.
What do you reckon, Dex? They're really fast. Stu wanted to get one of these mobility scooters when we were in Benidorm, and I said no, absolutely not. And he's whizzing around the place. Whoa! Whoa. We just had a malfunction with Dee's chair, but we've managed to secure it now. So Liam's just been told he's not allowed to go over any speed bumps fast because it will come off.
He's Speedy Gonzalez.
He was speedy. Oh dear me. This is actually quite funny. But here, you can look at the shops. There's loads down here. Fair play. Oh, tattoo. We'll be visiting there after. Yeah.
Are you going to do a turkey for the tattoo?
Yeah, I'm doing turkey for turkey. Makes sense, doesn't it? Drinks again.
Double drinks.
Double drinks. This place is massive.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Is this where we're going? Richard's Steakhouse. After stuffing our faces, we went back on the buggies, had a little bit of look around the shops, and then hung out by the pool. Morning guys, so we've had such an amazing time already. We've already booked ourselves a boat trip because it's not a vlog unless you have a boat trip planned. I'm hoping I'm not going to be sick because we consumed far too much alcohol last night. Stuart went out with Dan on a buggy and batteries failed and all sorts of stuff happened, so we ended up going to bed far later than what we had thought we were going. We were like, oh, let's go and have something to eat and go to bed early, but ended up staying up till I think it was about 1 o'clock in the morning. Everyone else fell asleep, and then unfortunately Emilia was ill. Some sort of food didn't agree with her, so I was cleaning that up till I think 3 o'clock, and it's now it's about 8:30, so I'm gonna have a cup of coffee, sit and enjoy the sun, which it is beating down. I'm not gonna lie, it's very welcome. We're gonna go on a boat trip. It's a private boat. It's 10 till 4. Looking forward to it. That's us on the bus, heading for the boat. 1.
Problem is, there's nowhere to sit, Charlie. Yeah, there might be the odd sunbed chairs as well. Shall we have a look?
Nice. Oh wow, this is quite high. Have a little look around the boaty boat. Pretty views. It's beautiful. Oh, this ain't bad. Sun loungers everywhere. Everyone's getting settled down, so let's see where they all put themselves. Just stopped at our first stop. It's a really cute bay, clear waters, it's absolutely stunning. And yeah, we've got about half an hour to do some swimming. There's another boat over there and people are just jumping off, so.
Yeah, but
Did a Christmas swim in Morocco, you think it'd be lovely. Don't think about it, you just got to do it. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Second stop, we've come to a little town and it's absolutely stunning. The entrance here, full of palm trees, and you've got all these little stalls, like serving ice creams and slush puppies and stuff like that. It's absolutely beautiful. There's all the boats all lined up in the harbour. The captain literally did the best reversing we think we've ever seen. It was literally straight in, no bumping, no wobbling, nothing. Absolutely amazing. Emilia, nice hat.
Yes, can I help you? How are you?
It is a bit bling.
She's happy with her bling.
That was actually the quickest hour I think we've ever done. We're back on the boat now. It's going to be lunchtime. We're moving on somewhere else. And yeah, that was a really nice little town actually. You've got all the lucky guys. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to call them. Yeah, there's loads there to see. Would have liked to have done a little bit longer. Had to look at the other side. So there's like a hotel or something over there that's just absolutely beautiful. Before we got off the private boat, of course we had to have a group photo. And here it is, rain in Turkey. We'll bring rain to any country, anywhere we go. With the rain coming in, we decided to head for the tattoo shop.
You're back in the seat, mate.
Second time, I've been abused by Charlie Rucks.
Who happens to also be having a tattoo over there.
This one's not actually bad.
I said that, didn't I? It's okay.
Yeah, it started, it's not bad. I'm not screaming like I was yesterday.
You're not even wincing.
No, I'm alright.
And I'll be finished in a second. See, you're doing better than you thought you could.
That's fine. I'm happy with that.
He's halfway through.
Yeah. Happy with that. Yeah.
I'm not, because I was hoping for better content.
Yeah, you got one.
Robbed.
I mean, yesterday when I had the dolphin, that was horrendous.
Bought in our circle tattoos, we decided to head on out for the evening.
pizza, pasta, put it in a box, bring it here and put it on my.
Yeah, that's enough of that, boys. Time to get the bus back. Just look at this view this morning. I'm going to sit here and have a cup of coffee whilst I'm waiting for everyone to get ready. We found the cutest bar that overlooked the beach, which was absolutely gorgeous, and Emilia enjoyed the biggest milkshake I think she's ever seen. This was followed by a promenade walk, and then the boys went off and had a go at the jet skis. They were gone for a little while, and we sat and enjoyed the beach views, and the children splashed in the sea. It was absolutely gorgeous. Big thank you to BGC Adventures, aka the Baileys, Wandering Wheelie, Liam and Dee, Paul and Helena, and all of your family for welcoming us on this trip. We've had such a brilliant time. Well, that's it. We've had a brilliant holiday. We're in the airport. The flight's actually been delayed by half an hour and we're all shattered. It's 2 a.m. at the moment. But what an absolute brilliant holiday. We really, really needed it. And it's all back to work tomorrow for us. Absolute week of just absolute fun with friends and family, and it's been brilliant. So yeah, until the next time, guys, we'll see you in a bit.